through some days and on a run away. Will my faith find a way through the night?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited to do this because ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakagawa ng isang makeup tutorial. So this is my updated makeup routine, aka the mob wife inspired makeup, because yung makeup ko, alam naman natin na laging very fierce, very siren eyes, very baddie tignan yung makeup ko. And so I wanted to incorporate the mob wife aesthetic because it's a trend right now, especially on TikTok, and I've been seeing it everywhere, even yung fashion style. So I wanted to create a makeup look of a mob wife inspired, but my own version, which is the one that I always, or my usual everyday makeup. Kasi feeling ko sobrang swak ako para dito sa trend na to, because my makeup ever since naman talaga is very baddie looking. So without further ado, let's start this video. I start off with my moisturizer. So dalawa yung moisturizer ko dito. One is the Eye White Aqua and one is the Sipo. I mainly use the Sipo right before I go to bed, especially if I wanna wake up with no dry skin at the morning. But for now, ito na muna yung gagamitin ko. After I put on my moisturizer, I go straight with my sunscreen, which is the Snail White Everyday Glow Sunscreen. So let's do the two-finger method. Now, we're done with my sunscreen, and as you can see, instantly nabigyan niya ng glow yung skin ko. My holy grail talaga, believe it or not, even though ang dami yung natatry na foundation, skin tint, BB cream, CC cream, I always go back to this one because, I don't know, gusto ko yung coverage niya na it's not too heavy on the skin, hindi rin ganun ka super full coverage. Eye White BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. Ito yung OG and my holy grail na BB cream. Sobrang affordable. I don't know if why I like it because ba lagi kong pinagsasama yung same brand, which is the moisturizer and itong BB cream nila. Now, let's proceed naman sa ating color corrector because this is so important. Mas nagkakaroon na ng dark under eyes kasi lagi akong puyat. So, I just put one dot right here. I'm using the Get Ready With Me. This is their medium peach na radiance na color corrector. I still go back to my OG concealer, which is the Sem Tip Concealer. This is in the shade 1.5. Up next naman, I'm going to be proceeding with my brows, and this is my main product already. I don't switch anymore to other brow products kasi nagsistay talaga ako once it works for me. And what I use for my brows to laminate it or to make it bushy, to stay it in place, which is the Got2b Ultra Glue yata na ginagamit for hairstyling to keep it in place. I still use this one because very, very makulit ang eyebrows ko once na nagpawis yung area na yan. So, kailangan talaga yung very plakado, yung parang pang-laminate or para maging bushy siya. Now, after that, papatuin lang natin siya by doing the rest of my makeup and then huliin natin yung brows para tuyo-tuyo na yung pinaka-glue niya. So, let's start with our cream products sa face, which is my favorite contour stick. This is from Strokes Face Sculpt in Mochaccino. Sobrang love na love ko to. As in, I just put it on the outer perimeter of my face, sa nose ko, and sa eyes. This one is my favorite cream blush, which is a jelly tint. This one is a lip and cheek tint, and this one is from For You Too. This one is in the shade 09 Happy Cola. So what I do, I just put it at the back of my hand. Ganyan. And then okay na yan. Yan yung gagamitin natin for our cheeks today. Sobrang long lasting nito as in. So ayan siya. plakadong sunburn talaga. Sun-kissed ang atake. Maganda rin to guys sa lips. Kaya lang laging sold out yung shade na to. Kaya nga, nagtatry pa rin ako humanap kung saan ako makakapag-hoard nito. Kasi gustong gusto ko nga siya. Ayan siya sa lips. See? Ang ganda. Beshi, sobrang ganda. Cream highlighter, which is the Strokes Face Flash. This one is just an invisible glow. Parang extra dewiness sa cheeks. Before I put on my powder. So, ayan siya. Now, let's proceed naman sa ating powder. This one, sobrang favorite ko. Wala akong chance na matry siya since lagi nga siyang sold out. So, this one is the Get Ready With Me Powder Rush in Bright and Pink. This one is recommended by the one and only Jelly Eugenio. It does mattify because it's powder, obviously. Pero it's not flat. And that's what I love about it. And don't get intimidated by the pink undertone. It's not gonna be pink. And ayoko talaga yung pinaka parang yellow na yellow yung under eyes nyo. Yung parang pag nag-flash photography tayo or nag 0.5 tayo. I just put powder under my eyes kaya matipid talaga ako mag-powder. Ayan na siya. Ang ganda niya. Ang sobrang soft ng under eyes ko. You guys know how much I love my Get Ready With Me customizable palette. I've been using that for more than a year already. And ito, I finally gave it with the Issy palette right now. And to my comparison, I feel like mas pigmented yung Issy talaga in terms of blush, contours, bronzers. With the Get Ready With Me, I feel like it's more beginner-friendly. Kasi kahit ilang swipe nyo, hindi siya intimidating gamitin. Gusto ko to, kasi onting swipe lang, hindi agad mahubos yung product. And a little goes a long way talaga for this product. So this is my customizable palette. I have here my blush, my bronzer, my contour, and my highlighter. So, ayun siya. As you can see, bago pa lang to sa akin. I got this a few weeks ago, kaya may plastic pa yan. I forgot the shades, but definitely, I'll be putting it in the description down below. Lahat ng mga items na gagamitin ko for this video. I feel like itong blush is Fringe, na very dupe ng Dior. Kaya ko siya kinuha. And then yung bronzer, and then the darkest yung contour. Now, I'll just put on and spray this Dalba First Spray Serum kasi feeling ko with all the powders, I have to melt it all in one. Let's continue and do my highlighter. Still gonna be using the Issy palette. And this one is the champagne color, I think. Basta I'll be linking it down na lang. For our eyebrows, I'll be using the super fine liner in Mocha. I've been using this for how many times already? Nakakailang ganito na ako. Now, for my curler, dalawa yung curler na ginagamit ko. I have this portable curler. When I use it, I bring this one sa makeup bag ko. But whenever I do my makeup, I use this curler. I've already featured it dun sa huge haul ko from my previous video. So, curl ko lang yung lashes ko and then maglalagay lang ako ng mascara, which is itong Fashion 21, and I will be right back. If I were going to school, okay na tong makeup ko. But for today, since mag-vlog ako later, may haul ako. By the time that you will be watching this video, na-upload ko na yun, that is a Louis Vuitton haul. Kaya, make sure to check it out. Those are my coordinates haul, especially that wala na akong ibang sinusuot ngayon kung hindi ko coordinates. Segue ko lang yung pag-promote ko. But anyway, since mag-haul nga ako later on, I want it na plakado yung eyes ko even though malayo ako since whole body lagi pag nag-haul ako or need to try on haul ako. So for our lashes, I'll still be using my favorite from Polish, which is the Slay variation nila. We are done with our lashes. Now let's proceed sa ating eyeliner, which is the Teviant liquid eyeliner in the shade Sienna. This one is their brown variation. Mob wife natin without the under eye na eyeliner. I'm using this long-lasting eyeliner by Focalure. Focalure ba to? Focalure in the shade 01. Every time I put this on, na-amaze ako kung gaano niya nalilift yung mata ko. And kung gaano niya nabibigyan ng parang fox eye look. So, siguro yung matatawag kong mob wife everyday makeup, yung hindi masyadong smoky yung eyes, pero siren and very fierce pa rin yung mata ko. I love it. Optional if maglalagay kayo ng parang egg yusal dito na glitter, but I like to put on, which is this Focalure din naman in the shade 03. Lalagay lang ako here. Ayan. So, onting glitter lang going on there. For my favorite lipstick, I'm using this Romand in the shade Scotch Nude. This one is their lasting na lip balm. Mukha laging may filter yung lips ko pag ito yung ginagamit kong lip product. Just look at that. To top it all off, to set it off, I'll be using this Get Ready With Me setting spray, or fixing spray rather, in the shade Radiant. I'm done with my face, and then I'll just fix my hair para bonggang-bongga talaga tong look na to. This is the final look. Nagkulot lang ako ng hair ko, and then labas ako ng aking bangs. So that's about it for this look. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Our everyday makeup look. This is my routine. Usually pag nag-haul ako, or if ever I will be attending an event, ito lagi yung ginagawa kong look. Paulit-ulit lang talaga. Iniiba-iba ko lang talaga yung hair, yung aesthetic, and then yung vibe ko. But today's video is my own version of a mob wife. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!